Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hopefully you are well and safe. Welcome to Higher Mathematics online class. This is MD Imam Hasan, Senior Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today we discuss Chapter 8 Statistics. In this class, we discuss only the MCQ part of statistics. Hopefully, this class will be very helpful for you and hopefully you will attentively participate to today's class. So let's start our class. My dear students, today we discuss Chapter 8 Statistics. In this class, we discuss only the MCQ part of the chapter. So, our first MCQ question number 1, 3 forces, 2 Newton, 4 Newton and 6 Newton acting at a particle are in equilibrium. Now, the question is, what is the angle between 2 Newton and 6 Newton? Here, the given 3 forces are 2 Newton, 4 Newton and 6 Newton. Here we have to find the angle between 2 Newton and 6 Newton. Let the angle is alpha. Now, since those 3 forces are in equilibrium, so the resultant forces of 2 Newton and 6 Newton must be equal to the third force 4 Newton. So, we can apply the formula of resultant force R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. By applying this formula, we can write here the resultant force will be equal to 4 Newton. Therefore, we can write 4 square equal to 2 square plus 6 square, then plus 2 into PQ, that is 2 into 6 into cos alpha. Now, here 4 square equal to 16 equal to 4 plus 36 plus 24 cos alpha. Now, we can write here 16 minus 4 minus 36 equal to minus 24 equal to 24 cos alpha, or cos alpha equal to minus 1. Therefore, we can write or cos alpha equal to cos 180 degree. Since we know cos 180 degree equal to minus 1, therefore alpha equal to 180 degree. So, the angle between 2 Newton and 6 Newton must be 180 degree. Therefore, the required answer is option C, that is 180 degree. Now, our second question, which one is the angle between first two of the 3 forces 1 Newton, 1 Newton and 2 Newton acting in a point in equilibrium? Now, 3 forces acting in a point. Let the figure is like this one. So, 1 Newton, 1 Newton and 2 Newton. We have to find the angle between the first two of the 3 forces 1 Newton, 1 Newton and 2 Newton. So, let the angle between those two first forces is alpha. Now, since those 3 forces are in equilibrium, therefore, the resultant force of 1 Newton and 1 Newton must be equal to the third force, that is 2 Newton. So, here we have to apply the formula R square equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. By applying this formula, we can write here the resultant force is equal to 2 Newton. So, 2 square equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1 into cos alpha, or here 2 square equal to 4 equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos alpha, or 2 cos alpha equal to 2. Therefore, cos alpha equal to 1, and we know cos 0 degree equal to 1. So, we can write cos alpha equal to cos 0 degree. Therefore, alpha equal to 0 degree. So, the required angle is 0 degree. So, our answer is option A, that is 0 degree. Now, our third question, the point of intersection of 3 bisectors of 3 included angles in a triangle is called what? Now, we know in a triangle that ABC is a triangle. The bisector of included angles, let the bisector of angle A is this one, the angle B is this one, and the bisector of angle C is this one. Here all the bisectors are intersect at a point. Let the point is O. We know the point is called incenter of the triangle. So our answer is option A, that is incenter. Now our fourth question, in the figure, if the three forces acting at the point O is in equilibrium, then what is the value of P? So we have to find the value of P. Now since all those three forces are in equilibrium, so we know all the forces are proportional of the sine ratio of angles of other two forces. So from the given figure we can write the force P divided by sine ratio of the other two forces included angle, that is 120 degrees. So sine 120 degree equal to 2 root 2 Newton. So 2 root over 2 divided by sine ratio of the included angle of other two forces, that is 135 degree. Now from here we can write P divided by sine 120 degree equal to root over 3 by 2. 2 root over 2 divided by sine 135 degree. By using calculator you can easily got the value of sine 135 degree, that is 1 by root over 2. Now from here we can write, here it becomes 2p divided by root over 3 equal to, from here we will get 4. Therefore p equal to, it will be 2 root over 3. So the value of P is 2 root over 3 Newton. So our required answer is option C, that is 2 root over 3 Newton. Now our fifth question, the point of intersect of three perpendicular bisectors of three sides of a triangle is what? Let ABC is a triangle. Now the three perpendicular bisector of three sides, let the bisector of AB is this one, the perpendicular bisector of BC is this one, and the perpendicular bisector of AC is this one. Here all the bisectors intersect at a point, and this point is called circumcenter. So our answer is option B, circumcenter. Now our next question, question number 6. Three forces of magnitude 3 Newton, 5 Newton and 7 Newton acting at a point along three different lines are in equilibrium. Then the question is, what is the angle between two smaller forces? Here the given forces are 3 Newton, 5 Newton and 7 Newton. So let this one is 3 Newton, this one is 5 Newton and this one is 7 Newton. We have to find the angle between the two smaller forces. Here two smaller forces are 3 Newton and 5 Newton. Let the angle between them is theta. Now since those three forces are in equilibrium, so the resultant forces of 3 Newton and 5 Newton must be equal to 7 Newton. So by using the formula of equilibrium, we can write the resultant force, that is 7. So 7 square equal to 3 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 3 into 5 into cos theta. Or here we can write 49 equal to 9 plus 25 plus here 30 cos theta. Or we can write 49 minus 9 minus 25, then it will be 15 equal to 30 cos theta. Now from here we can write cos theta equal to half. We know cos 60 degree equal to half, therefore theta will be equal to 60 degree. So our answer is option A, that is 60 degree. My dear students, now question number 7. If two likely parallel forces 12 Newton and 8 Newton acting at the two ends of a rod of length 24 meter, then what will be the distance of the point of application of the resultant from the force 8 Newton? Here let a rod of length 24 meter AB. Here two likely parallel forces 12 Newton and 8 Newton acting at the two ends of a rod. Let 12 Newton force acting at point A and 8 Newton force acting at point B. Since those are two equally likely parallel force, then the resultant force will be acting at point C, and the value of the resultant force must be 12 plus 8 Newton, that is 20 Newton. Here the distance AB equal to 24 meter. Now we have to find the distance of the point of application of the resultant from the force 8 Newton. So we have to find the distance of BC. Now from the figure we can write here the force 12 Newton divided by the distance of the resultant force point and the point of 8 Newton force. So BC equal to, here the resultant force is 20 Newton, so 20 divided by the distance of the 2 points, that is point A and point B, that is point AB, so AB. Now here 20 BC equal to 12 into AB, the value of AB equal to 24. Therefore BC equal to 12 into 24 divided by 20. Then by using calculator we'll get this as 14.4. So the required distance is 14.4 meter, that is option C, 14.4 meter. Now question number 8. If two equal and parallel forces P and Q are acting in opposite directions, then what is the resultant? The resultant force of P and Q, we can write resultant equal to P plus Q. Since those two forces are equal and opposite, so we can write P, then the force Q can be written as minus P, since those two forces are equal and opposite. So P minus P equal to 0, so the result is 0. So our answer is option D, that is 0. My dear students, now question number 9. Two unlike parallel forces of magnitude 42 Newton and 24 Newton are acting at the point A and B. If their resultant is acting at the point C or produced BA, then what is the ratio of AC and BC? Here the given two forces 42 Newton and 24 Newton acting at the point A and B respectively. Let this is our point A and this one is our point B. Since those two forces are unlike force, so let A, which is 42 Newton, and at the point B 24 Newton. It must be in opposite direction since those two forces are unlike. Now the resultant force will acting at point C, so let this is our point C. So the resultant force acting at point C. Now from the figure we have to find the ratio of AC and BC. Now from the figure we can write here the force 24. So 24 into the distance of the acting point of 24 Newton force, that is B, and the resultant force which is acting at point C. So 24 into BC equal to the another force 42. So 42 Newton into the distance from the resultant point to the acting point of 42 Newton, that is A. So AC. Now we have to find the ratio of AC and BC. So we can write this one as 24 by 42 equal to AC by BC. Therefore we can write AC is to BC equal to 24 is to 42. Then dividing by 6 we can write 4 is to 7. So our required answer is 4 is to 7, that is option D, 4 is to 7. My dear students, now our today's last MCQ question, question number 10. If the position of the resultant of two unlike parallel forces is unaltered when the position of the forces are interchanged, then which one will be correct? In this question, it is said that the resultant force is unaltered and hence the force will be equal. So our answer is option C, that is P equal to Q. My dear students, hopefully you are understand today's class. If any problem, take help from your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.